Outwork them like you did yesterday. You got to do it again. Okay, let's make that a habit. Outworking, being the hardest working team. Taking care of the basketball, making simple plays, and really rebound. Christian said it yesterday. Stay hungry. Well, let's play hungry. Play hungry every possession. Want it more, play harder, and do all the little things. Okay, let's go.
Diamond Head Classic. Aloha from beautiful Honolulu, Hawaii, as we get set to bring you a semifinal matchup between the Sycamores of Indiana State and the Runnin' Rebels of UNLV at the Stan Sheriff Center. Not eligible. This is just his third game in action for the Sycamores, and a strong move in the post for Amandre Rickman.
And we talked about Rickman commanding the tension in the post offensively and also doing the job defensively.
Williams, the step back three, got it. And a good start here for the Sycamores.
And you can see Christian Williams, his confidence is growing each and every game.
Running Rebels 1 of 11 to start this game from the field. Here's Kessinger. Well, maybe he just needs to shoot a jump shot from the free throw line.
Well, and Kessinger gave Indiana State huge minutes yesterday as well.
Post gets it back, gathers, is blocked by Rickman. A little roll reversal there on the shot block by the Sycamores. Here's Key for three. Karam's out to Barnes, and he leads the break. Stops and pops for three, and hits.
Kano, I could have told you when Jordan Barnes got that rebound, he was going to shoot a three.
UNLV without a field goal in the last 3 minutes and 11 seconds. And how about Jordan Barnes? 11 points, didn't even attempt a shot until deep into that first frame.
Way to fight, way to fight. They want to jump up in you with use their athleticism and crowd you and put some pressure on you. Just back up, keep moving that ball, keep throwing it inside, keep pounding it in the paint.
Here's the drive by Williams, dishes to Rickman, up, in, and one.
You see Indiana State playing with so much poise, and a lot of it has to do with the fact that their leader, Jordan Barnes, plays with that level of poise. You can't speed him up. And of course, you have to pay so much attention to him on offense and the floor because he shoots the basketball so well.
The lead is back to 9 here for Indiana State. Every time UNLV has trimmed it down to a 4 or 5, the Sycamores have gone on a small run to secure hold of the game. Now a lob pass to the rim. Williams with the hammer.
A one-point lead is nowhere near enough for you to stop playing.
Barnes the take, got it to go, challenging Jonathan Chachua. So a one-point game closing in on 1 minute to go. Barnes with it, the pull-up three, got it! Nothing but! When Jordan Barnes wanted to take over. Inbound goes to JTT. Hamilton for three. And this one is over. That basket does not count. Indiana State wins 84-79. And they are moving on to the Hawaiian Airlines Diamond Head Classic Championship game.
Well, and the opportunity to see what could be a great showdown. Regardless, Indiana State net backcourt is going to play against a great backcourt, Bucknell or TCU. Great guard play, which of course you know I love.